Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create the forms in GoHighLevel that will help you to capture your leads. Now GoHighLevel forms are actually incredible tools that you can use to collect required details about your lead or about your customer directly through your website or the landing pages. And then you can use that detailed information to follow up with the clients and make sure that you never miss any lead or you never miss any opportunity. Now to build a form in GoHighLevel, first you will go into the sub account where you want to build your form. And now I'm inside the sub account, and then you will go to the site section, and here you will see all of the web assets that GoHighLevel provides. Now as we have to build the form, so we will go to the form section. And now there are a lot of form templates that you can use to save your time or save your effort, or you can build your own form from the scratch. For now, I will click on the Start from Scratch button. Now, first of all, we have to give our form a name. Let's say it's Flooring Inspection Form. Now, naming this form is so important as it will help you to easily find your form for integrating in your website or in your funnels. Now, if you look at the top right corner, you will find the styles and options. Now styles include the form's layout, its pairing or its background color. You can play with these settings to design your form, or you can directly use the GoHighLevel templates to make your form stand out in your website. And the third section is options, where you have on submit option, which defines what happens when someone submits the form. From here, you can redirect them to a new website page. For that, you will have to add the URL in this section, or you can simply select the message to show them a thank you message. So I'm gonna go with the message option, and here you can type in whatever message you want. Let's say we want to add thank you for submitting the form. Our team will contact you shortly. Next, in the top left, you can see add element option, where you can add all the elements for your form. Let's say I want to add full name, then email, and then phone number. So you can add any of the elements that you want. But if you want to add some custom fields, then you will go to the custom fields. Then you will click on add button. And here you will see a lot of custom fields that you can use depending upon your need or depending upon your client's preference. For now, I will select this one. And now in the name, you will name your field. Let's say it's describe the flooring service needed. Then in the group, you will select the contact and hit save. And then once you add all of the fields that you want, then you will have to add a button. For that, we will simply go to the GoHighLevel elements. Then we will search for the button and drag it on your form. Now, if I click on the button, then it will bring up the button settings. Then here you can change the text of the button. Let's say it's submit. You can also change the color of the button like this. And once your form is ready, click on the save button. Alright, we have built our form in GoHighLevel. Now, if you want to see how your form will work for your leads or for your clients, you can simply click on integrate option, and in the bottom you will click here. This will bring up the form that you just created inside GoHighLevel. Now here I'm going to fill in the form with some dummy data. That will be name, then email, then we will add the phone number. Next we will type in what service we want and hit submit. And now here you can see the on submit message that we set up inside our GoHighLevel form. And that's it. This is how you can build a form in GoHighLevel. Our next video will be about integrating this form in GoHighLevel website or in GoHighLevel funnels for your clients. But if you have any queries about GoHighLevel forms, you can ask in the comment section. And you can save this playlist for free online GoHighLevel course. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.